Alright guys, it's Kai here again, just to give you guys an update. So on the last video, I wasn't aware that I did not fill in the extra Fibonacci lines that I do usually have. So I want to tell you guys to go ahead and put the 88.6 in, the 76.9, and also this says negative 23.6. I don't know why, but it should be negative 27.1. And there's also one more that you guys cannot see right now, which would be a negative 61.8. It's like right, if this was part of the screen still, it'd be right around here, about the same distance from this one to this one. And as you can see, it's just a little bit more clarity. So this 88.6, nothing really happens right here. With the 76.9, magic does happen. So this gives you a little more clarity for this trade right here. Go ahead and buy that one. And let's see how else I added this. And then this negative 27.1, this is where I usually take all of my TPs. So as you can see here, came up, hit that perfectly for a TP, and then shot right back down to this one. It's just beautiful buys right here. Came all the way down here, bought it, and it's currently fighting right here to see if it wants to push up, which this 3 has already printed, so it's still a slight chance that it will continue to go down. This is just printing here based off this one to this one, and it could still be coming down. So we'll wait for the breakout and try and trade this and see what happens. I possibly won't get into this trade until about London session maybe, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update as to what I have been doing here and how I pretty much trade fibs. Alright, so now I got you guys' attention. Let's see here. I still have this fib placed from this 2 right here all the way up to this 3 still. So that's why the market's still valid and respecting this so much. Look at this bounce off, this bounce, this bounce, this bounce. You guys can see for yourself, this bounce. And broke it, but it still bounced. And this bounce is perfect. Currently waiting on this one. Now, let's take this line, this fib right here, place this one right there. Boom. And let's place, we can keep this one right here just for the sake of fibs in the argument. This is still a safe place to put it. But let's just go from this one to this one right here. Let's see how the market plays out. Now, since we placed our fib this way, going from down to up, that means we're looking for retracement to bounce right back up. Retracement to bounce right back up. Retracement to bounce up. Bounce up. So let's see here. After we place this, from here to here, let me place this right here actually. Let's just say that this is a market right here. The reason why I would place this fib here is because, boom, to there, that's a trend, and it broke this structure. Remember that room to the left. It's a lot of room to the left, so this is perfect. Now, here we go. Now, this started to come down a little bit, so I'm like, this could be another leg forming, so this has to be the end of that uptrend for right now. So let's go ahead and place this fib there. So after I did that, let's see what happens in the future market. Boom, a 1 place right there. See if we can buy that. Go buy the heck out of that 1. Alright. Now continuing on after this one, went all the way up, almost hit our negative 27.1. Now this one came back down, we could buy it again. Boom. It went all the way, it bounced up some good pips. Let's see how far these bounces are. So from this one to about this next zone, cool, almost 550 pips. And then we can go right back here to see what this bounce was. About 45 pips, which is still good. And then right here is where she probably scared a lot of people. And boom, came down. But still bounced up. Now this is where a lot of people can get trapped, because they might think that, oh no, this is now going to be going into a downtrend. This has to be a downtrend now. But it's still in the overall uptrend. That's why Renko's is so good. It's good because you can't get fooled by regular candlestick formations. Now this really would have fooled a lot of people, but as you can see, it stopped perfectly at our 100.0 perfectly. Shot back up to continue its uptrend. So with that being said, let's see here. As you can see that. Now let's go ahead and place a fib going down, just for argument's sake. So fib right here. Let's place this one on top of this, all the way down here to this one from number to number, or we can place it right here. But let's just go right here just for learning purposes. Now we're waiting for retracement. Here goes the retracement coming back down. Waiting for retracement to come back down. Just waiting for it. So this is really an invalid fib. I just wanted to show you the way you would draw it coming down, because it's still in the uptrend. As you can see, like, it's just not smooth, right? With these numbers hitting this line, it's just not smooth as it would be when you were going in an uptrend. You see how much more the fib was getting respected in an uptrend. Let's go ahead and delete that, because it looks pretty ugly, and I hate it when the market doesn't respect what I'm doing, because it makes me feel like I don't know what I'm doing. So with that being said, let's see here. We place this one from there. Let's take this one all the way up to here. This 3. And it looks a lot better from the other one. This line's hitting, this line's hitting, this line's hitting, and it's going up. Alright guys, so that's just another fib with some more lines on there, the 88.6, 76.9. Just to show you, just give you guys a better idea of how to use fibs.